So the Marksman pump comes with these automatic tank sensors. The bottom sensor is a slow down sensor and the top sensor is a tank full. You can see there on these adjustable bars, so you can set the depth into the tank that you would like the sensor to trigger at. They can be connected directly into the Marksman pump, or alternatively, they can be connected through a radio transmitter. So the switch, just the cable goes directly into the bottom of the transmitter. So we'll put the sensor in this tub and we will connect it to the bottom of the radio sensor. And this can hang on the edge of a catwalk or wherever. And you can see on the screen over on the side here that the radio is active. If I turn the radio transmitter off, after 15 seconds the machine will recognize that the radio transmitter is not being received and it will sound an alarm. Radio check signal. We can, in manual parameters, we can switch it back to cable, so it's no longer looking for the radio sensor. But as soon as we turn the radio back on, it will automatically detect that the radio transmitter is active and it's gone back to radio. So now if we start the pump, what we'll see is when the tank hits the bottom sensor, it will slow down to the preset speed of 25%. And when it hits the top sensor, it will stop the pump and come up with an alarm. Now, if you want to continue with a job, say you were filling a tanker or something where the job wasn't finished, you can actually select no and it will take you back to that screen. We can start the pump again. And this time when it reaches the top level, we'll say yes. And we can give the job description. So, manual, tank, M2, continue, select your username. And if we look in the history function now, you'll see that a manual job was run and over in the notes the tank was filled. So that is the tank sensor of the Marksman pump.